guys, for today's video I will show you how to change TikTok username before 30 days. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile phone and then click your profile icon right here on the lower right side, and then next just click edit profile right here. Edit profile, and there you go. You'll be able to change your name right here and your username as well right here. So I just wanted to let you know, and please keep be noted that you can change your username once every 30 days. So if you click or if you enter or input your username incorrectly, I will show you how to change it without waiting before or wait for 30 days until you change it. So just a moment. So right now go back to this your profile icon, and then click this three lines icon right here on the upper right side to go to settings and privacy. Click settings and privacy, then scroll down. So right here under support and about, click report a problem. Then next just scroll down, and there you see at the bottom submit a report. So right here you can create a message that you want to change your username because you input a username incorrect and you want it to be changed. And then if you have a screenshot on that one on the page that you are within your username, you can attach your screenshot as well right here on the report a problem. And then next just submit and wait for the notifications because TikTok will notify you once they have a resolutions to this one. Alright, so that's it. That's how to change or report a problem if you want to change your TikTok username before 30 days. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and updates.